Have you eaten any beans lately? Many of us shortchange ourselves on fiber, and beans can help. You can start with canned beans or with dry beans. Beans contain insoluble fiber that helps with digestion and also soluble fiber that could lower your blood cholesterol level. One of the advantages of starting with dry beans is that they're very low in sodium content. On the other hand, if you use canned beans, you should rinse them because that can reduce the sodium content by about 40%. So today we're making a speed scratch item. It's called sizzling baked beans, and it's really easy, and you can personalize it for your family. We start with 28 ounces of beans. You can use your favorite flavor of beans. There's lots of available types in the grocery store. Next, we're going to add some beautiful chopped red peppers. These are great sources of vitamin C, as are green peppers. We need about a half of each. If you want to use yellow, you can do that as well. And then we're going to add some onion. I have about a medium onion. Now we season it up a little bit with ketchup, 1.5 tablespoons, 1.5 tablespoons of molasses, and your choice of seasonings. I have a little salt and pepper to add. Finally, we just mix it all up. We top it with cooked turkey bacon or your favorite type of bacon, pork bacon, vegetarian bacon, and lastly, we pop it in the oven. This recipe makes 12 side dish servings with 100 calories and 4 grams of fiber. Enjoy it at your next gathering. This is Dr. Julie bringing you from Field to Fork. Until next time.